Hello kids, welcome back to Vishal Kids Fun. Today we are going to learn shapes and colors in a fun way. First, draw a circle, round and round. Good job. And next shape is a triangle. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Now draw the star. Hey kids, you know how to draw a star? If you know this, please like the video. Wow, it looks shiny. Now let's draw a square shape. It has 4 equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now draw a hexagon. It has 6 sides. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the finally heart shape. Do you know how to draw heart shape? So cute and lovely heart shape. Hey kids, today we are drawing 6 types of shapes. It's very basic learning and easy way to practice the shapes. Hey kids, completed the drawing shapes. It's now coloring time. So let's add the colors for all these shapes. First one, color the circle with blue. Okay? Hey, nice and bright the color. And now color the triangle with light red color. This is very beautiful color, and do you like this color? I like this color. Wow, very beautiful. Next, color the star with yellow. This is the very shiny star, you know. Next, color the square with red color. Hey kids, this is almost easy for all kids for coloring this square shape. Yes, this is almost completed. Yes, this is great job. And now color the hexagon with green color. It's look amazing color. To the every drawing the picture anytime to draw the outline for every drawing part and after complete the lower part. It looks amazing. And finally, let's color the heart shape. So pretty. This is orange color. This orange color we use it for heart shape in this video. I like this orange color also. Do you like orange color? Hey kids, can you tell me which shape is your favorite one? Circle, triangle, star, square, hexagon or heart? Wow, so pretty. Hey, today you learned shape and colors. Are you enjoying this video? So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.